Hey guys, welcome back in a Triple T, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change this subscription section into this empty section. Let's jump right into the video. So guys, first if you're at the YouTube homepage, first what you have to do is click on your profile picture and then go to your channel. From right here, clicking on right here your channel, and then you'll be redirected to your channel. And then if you want to check whether your subscriptions and playlists are hidden, click on channels. And then as you guys can see, I have not hidden them because I want to show you guys step by step how to hide them. So guys, first what you have to do is again click on your profile picture, and then as you guys can see there are many options: your channel, purchase and memberships, YouTube Studio, switch accounts. From here guys, you can switch your accounts. As you guys can see, here's my other channel, Songs for Everyone. I'm not using it, it's just a scrap thing. I'm not using it, it's a failure. So yeah, and then from here you can sign up from your account and sign in from a different account. And then from here you can choose the theme, use device theme, do dark theme. Then as you guys can see, it's kind of cool, right? And then I'm going to change it because I don't like it. Light theme. For me it's better to use the device light. And then from here you can choose, change your language. If you are in France, you can change it to French, something like that. And then your location. And then here's the most important part: from here you can hide them. So guys, first what you have to do is click on settings. I'm just gonna, as I wanna open settings in a new page, I'm gonna click command and then click on settings. And then as you guys can see, a new page is open up, and then it's a setting. And from here there are many options as well. Notifications, the notifications from this browser Chrome. As I'm using Chrome, I get notifications from Chrome. And also guys, there's a new update for Chrome on Mac. Update it. Yeah, it was up for mine, it was updated like 2 days ago. So yeah, it's cool. And then from here, playback and performance, info cards means guys, like in between your videos there's like a card on top of your video, and then from that card you can link it to another channel or another playlist or another video. And then subtitles and AVI1, I don't know. And then from here I'll come to privacy after that. And then from here, connected apps, I have not connected them as I'm not a gamer. And then billing and payments, how do you purchase, how you make purchase on YouTube. And then advanced settings. From here you can change your user ID, and you can't change it but you can copy it, channel ID, and then etc. And also guys, from this is the most important part. As I told you, I'm going to get into the privacy. So guys, after clicking privacy, as you guys can see, manage what you share on YouTube. Choose who you see your saved playlist and subscription. Review YouTube channel. And guys, and also guys, in the future I'll make a video on what are the review on YouTube channels of services. I'll teach you guys step by step what is this and what is that, and then Google privacy policy. So yeah. And then from here, this is the most important part: playlist and subscriptions. Keep all my saved playlists private. As if I off it, and then you guys can see the playlist that I have created, like watch later playlist, etc. from my channel. And then I have owned it, so because I need to keep them private. And then from here, keep all my subscriptions private. Your subscriptions will be not visible to others. Manage your subscriptions here. And then from here guys, if you turn on, so guys, maybe you don't want to see other people who you're subscribed to, so you can turn on this and keep them private. And I'm gonna go here, and then as you guys can see, it's still here, and I'm gonna refresh it. As you guys go, it shows now this channel doesn't feature any other channel. So yeah guys, and if I switch off again and then refresh again, and as you guys can see, it's back again. So yeah, I want to keep my subscription private, so I'm gonna switch on it and then refresh it. As you guys saw, and that's pretty simple. So guys, I think this video helped you a lot in making your subscriptions private. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, and comment down below what should be my next video. And guys, please subscribe, I need them.